All right, in this video, we're going to learn how to get your textbook for your math class on your phone. So you'll have a digital version of your textbook. Okay, let's dive right in here. It's a very simple process. Just go to the App Store for your iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using Android and search for an app called McGraw-Hill K-12 Connect Ed. Make sure you choose the one that says Connect Ed. Download the app and then sign in using, for the username part, the first part of your Westwood email address. That would be first initial, last initial, followed by your 6-digit lunch code. And then enter your password. That's going to be different for each student. Check your email because you should have an email with your password. For Algebra 2 students, for geometry students, pre-cal students, it's going to be the same password that we've set up for you to use CUDA Works. For Algebra 1 students, it's going to be capital Panther 2019 exclamation point. Let's actually walk through that process now of downloading the app and opening it up and signing in from an iPhone. So we're going to search for the app, McGraw-Hill Connect Ed K-12. Search for it, and then make sure you're choosing the one that says Connect Ed, because there's a couple different McGraw-Hill apps. Okay, once it gets downloaded, open it up. And I've got a test account here that we're going to use to sign in. TS lunch code, and password is capital W, lowercase ISD, 010170 star or exclamation point. Okay, now click login. And then whatever product that you've been assigned will be visible to you. So this test account was set up with the Algebra 2 textbook. So you see here you've got Texas Algebra 2 Student Edition. If you're a pre-cal student, you'll see the pre-cal textbook. If you're an Algebra 1 student, you'll see the Algebra 1 textbook. Go ahead and give it a click. And then you'll see that you have this top book that's going to be the full name of your textbook, Student Edition. Click on that. And now you see that you have download links for every single chapter of the textbook. My recommendation is to download all of them. And that way you can have them on your phone even if you're not actually connected to the internet. Okay, so once you get those chapters downloaded, you can open up the textbook and you'll notice that you can flip through it just like it was a real book. And you can use multi-touch to zoom in. Okay, makes it very easy to read. And that's how you can navigate the textbook on your phone. It's a really handy resource. All right, so now you know how to access the textbook on your phone. What if you're not using a phone? What if you're using a Chromebook or a MacBook or a PC or a laptop and you want to connect to it through an internet browser? That's totally possible. You're just going to go to this website, connected.mcgraw-hill.com. We'll make sure that a link is posted to this on your home-based learning sites. It's the same login and password as you would use for CUDA or for the mobile app version of the McGraw-Hill software. Remember, it's just the first part of your Westwood email address and your password. So let's fire up an internet browser here and go to https://connected-hill.com. So here's what that website looks like. Make sure that you're typing it in just like this so that you get to where you need to go. Okay, we can navigate there now. So here we've got this username and password that we need to fill in. We'll use the same account we used before. TS lunch code, and then that password I created. Okay, click login. And here's what your dashboard will look like. Once again, this test student is just enrolled in the Algebra 2 class, but it would look the same if you were logging in as an Algebra 1 student or a pre-cal student or another student that had a McGraw-Hill textbook. Your whatever resources that your various teachers have assigned to you would be displayed here. So just click launch. And so this is a more interactive version of the book than the mobile version, where the mobile version is really just a static version of the book. This one you can dive into. If you want to actually read the book, click on this button here that says ebook. A new window is going to pop up with your McGraw-Hill Cloud Reader. Okay, so if you go up to the top left of this window here, you can actually navigate the table of contents to whatever chapter you need to look at. And then there's a search feature over here. So we'll just go to chapter 4, quadratics, so you can see what that looks like. This page can be maximized, and you can zoom in and out relatively easily. Okay. So that's how you access the textbook on a browser. All right. Well, that's it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or to one of your teachers, and we'll make sure to get your questions answered. And that's all for now. So thanks so much for your attention.